Hello! Since it's Eid holiday, we're going to Maldives, but it's full flight overbook. At dahil punuan, hindi nakasakay si Ate Chat for Rio at matutuloy siya sa Maldives. Hindi man ako matutuloy, pero okay lang. Maybe it's not yet time, not yet ready. And praying na someday makapasyal din doon. Maybe with someone.
Yun talaga yun.
My habibi na, char. Enjoy ka, Rio. Enjoy, Nessa.
ID 90 pa more.
Hello! After 4 hours flight, nandito na ako sa Mali. And I'm waiting for the boat na nagdadala sa akin sa Tuludsu. So, Ate Janessa is waiting there. Nauna na siya dahil na-upload ako kahapon. Ngayon lang ako nakasakay. So, I'm going to pay 25 USD going to Tuludsu Island. Kung saan ang hotel namin. Finally! Yesterday, I was not able to make it. Hello!
Hello. Lagay, ano ba lang ay? Ini ni mau kali kulit deh, dia pun jatuh.
Sorry, kalat-kalat. May sampay ako.
Cool lang.